Hello, Dirks. How's your day going? How's your beard? It's coming in nice and thick. So handsome. Oh, yes, Goose is out too. Did you say hello?
Yeah.
You're so fluffy. Look at your big old fluffy belly. There's Abby tending to the animals. Oh, wait. No. Being an animal, playing on the ball.
I'm the animal here.
There's Maverick just hanging out, trying to get some shade in this 90-degree heat. The girls are there in the background. Oh, Abby, don't worry about walking in front of me. It's cool.
Oh, I'm not worrying.
Oh, you're not worried? That's nice.
Yes,
That's
not
nice.
worrying.
That's a really close-up of your face. Wow, great farm video. There's Rai Rai. She's just hanging out eating grass over there. Oh, and Dirks is back for round 2. Dirks, what you doing? You look so worried.
You're not even recording.
You have something in your hair, buddy. Did you know that?
You're not even.
I am not recording you because you're not doing anything exciting.
Oh, yes.
What are you doing? I can't even see you that close.
Then point the camera over here.
Oh my goodness. Such a great farmer we got on our hands.
Keep the camera on me.
I think we've all seen enough.
No.
Ellie! Ellie, come over and say hello. Ellie, this is not God talking. You can hear me. She looks up. Ellie! My voice is coming from over here, 2 feet to your right. Oh, never mind. Your other right. Ellie, your other right. There you are. Nope, not anymore. Dirks, how are we supposed to do a farm video if none of you will stand still? You're not even paying attention. This is not going well. Hello? No, I'm not up in the sky. Why does everyone keep looking up when I'm talking? Oh. All right, on to Harvey. Oh, the mystical creature in the bushes. Yeah. He doesn't really like people. He's cool with me, though. We cuddle. It's unwanted, but we cuddle a lot. Oh, man. Cat fights. Everyone talks about cat fights. Here it comes. Oh, who's going to win? Goose or Maverick? Goose or Maverick? Goose won. Nobody won. They both won. I'm not really sure. Ryan wins. Ellie! You're so beautiful. Come here and say hello. Ellie. See, my goats love me so much. Ryan can't get him to come over either.
Hi. That's what I have to say. Subscribe to my mom's video. And you love me more than him. You love me more than him. So, yeah, my mom. Face it on me. All right. So, subscribe to my mom's video. What else?